Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Here we have our 2017 Kia Forte. The Forte is a great riding car. This one is a one-owner car here in Virginia. It was very well maintained, has very low miles. This car has less than 30,000 miles, which gives you tons of factory warranty on it. And the car is just super clean, guys. If you haven't driven a Forte yet, I gotta tell you, they ride really good. They are very spacious. This one, of course, has your keyless entry. You see that you have the thick rubber mat there to keep everything nice and clean in your trunk. You do have a quick release here, which will fold to 60/40 split seats. And that opens up to give you plenty of room for any kind of storage needs you would have. See, inside is very clean. You do have a folding armrest there. Of course, with this Forte, you're going to get all your power options. You get your height adjustable seat. And again, take note of the condition. The car is very, very clean. This one's going to have your duplicate audio controls, your cruise control. Does have Bluetooth going over to your premium sound system. You do get XM radio with this. You also have auxiliary inputs there. Of course, this one is the automatic with the Tiptronic feature, allowing you to shift up and down manual if you'd like to. You have a drive mode, which is going to go into the eco mode or the sport mode. And you have your oversized center console there. Now, the eco mode is pretty nice. It's going to let you maximize your fuel economy, and that's the thing that gets me with this car, the fuel economy. It's a good sized, spacious car that rides really smooth, and this car gets 29 miles per gallon in the city. 29 in the city and 38 on the highway. That is hard to beat in a car that rides this smooth. Guys, this thing is as close to new as you're gonna find. Very low miles, tons of factory warranty. And of course, here at City Motors, we have no processing fees. And you can call us or text us at any time at 540-433-7335. Get down here and take this thing for a drive. You're gonna fall in love. Thanks for stopping by.